up, guys? Welcome inside of Marlon's Easy Online Cash System, my website. Guys, rather than just redirect you guys to another money-making program or business opportunity, I wanted to take a few minutes of my time, right, and yours if I could, to introduce myself to you guys. And I want you guys to get to know me, okay? Because that's going to be key to your success online. So I'm going to give you a little bit of my history, guys, but know that every single thing that you need to earn an extra $500 a day or $1,000 a day, $1,000 a week, $500 a week, whatever you want to do, guys, is possible. Now, let me give you a little teeny bit of my history, guys, and tell you what it is I've been able to learn over the course of the last 3.5 years. What I do, guys, is I design my own websites. I design my own automated marketing systems and sales funnels. And so over time, what I was able to do is team up with some other internet marketers who do the exact same thing that I do. So in a little while, guys, you're going to be able to meet one of my partners and you're going to be able to learn a little bit more about my hottest new opportunity. I like to call it, I talk about the 7-hour work week. Because, guys, if you apply the tactics, the training, and the strategy that we share with you inside of our training, guys, then you can work about 8-10 hours a week and make pretty decent money doing this. But action speaks louder than words, right? Okay, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what it is you're going to be able to do in a video just below this video. But I wanted to, again, stop and just take the time, because if you're anything like I was when you first got started, you probably were all over the place looking for ways to make money online. You probably joined one business opportunity after another, looking for that one opportunity that was going to get you that breakthrough. I did it, and I did it to the tune of thousands of dollars, more than I want to mention, guys. But here's the point. When you start talking about making money online, guys, you have to have a tactic and you have to have a strategy. If you have a tactic and a strategy and you couple that with automated marketing systems, guys, you can make money online. And that's exactly what you guys are going to be introduced to here. Now, let me say this. There's some other things that you're going to need too, right? You're going to need to stay focused. You're going to need vision, and you're going to need to be able to set goals. But if you can do those things, guys, and you have a laptop and or a mobile device, you can do what I'm about to introduce you to. Anyway, fast forward, after about 2.5 years of struggling online, guys, I was finally able to kind of get into what I call my breakthrough, with my best day being over $6,000 in sales and my best month to date over $10,000 in sales. And guys, I'm really just getting started, okay? And what I want you guys to understand is you can do it too, okay? Believe me, you can do it too. Now, below this video, I'm going to talk a little teeny bit about mindset, and I'm going to talk a little bit about activating the best version of yourself, okay? Just a little bit of mindset. And below that video, guys, you guys will be able to tap into, be redirected to the actual system that I'm talking about. Now, here's the good news. Anything that you have problems with, anything you have a question about, guys, I'm going to have all my contact information on my website here. You can reach out to me, guys. Text and or email me, right, at itsmarlonobennett.com. But just make sure you put question for Marlon in the subject line. But any questions you have, just let me know, guys. We'll reach out, we'll connect, and I'll make sure that you guys have absolutely everything that it is you need to get up and running. And I say that to say this. If you're anything like me, guys, your time is precious. And that's why we use automated marketing systems and sales funnels. They do the work for us, guys. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days of the year. I have people watching, viewing my opportunities all over the world. And I'm going to teach you guys, if you stay plugged into my website here, and you stay plugged into the emails that I'm going to send you, how I do it. But anyway, guys, I know you guys are excited to get on with the show. So watch the video just below this video. Over time, I'm going to throw a couple more videos on this website. Because again, guys, I want you guys to get to know me, okay? I'm not just another random person that's asking you or pitching you a business opportunity. I'm talking about a lifestyle, okay? An internet lifestyle, a digital lifestyle without limits. So without any further ado, guys, click the link. Well, you don't even have to click a link. You're on my video. Go on and watch the videos, guys. By the time you guys get this, I don't know if there'll be 2 videos in, at least 2. I'm going to be adding more over time. But everything you need right now to start that journey, you'll find on the website. I appreciate you guys so much for opting in. You can subscribe to me on YouTube, guys. I'm all over YouTube, soon to be Facebook. And I thank you guys so very much. Let's get on with the show, guys. As always, this is your boy Marlon Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the next video.